As you heard from the First Minister earlier today, a 2-week firebreak will start in Wales at 6 p.m. on Friday of this week. As I promised last week, I wanted to update you on what this means for education. School will be closed during the first week of the firebreak for the planned half-term. On Monday, November 2nd, primary schools and special schools will reopen to all pupils. Education other than at school, such as pupil referral units, will also return as usual. Secondary schools will open for children in years 7 and 8. Pupils in other year groups will continue their learning from home that week. Those sitting exams in November will be able to do so at their school or college. College students will continue their learning from home that week. I can see many of you want to know what this means for next year's examinations. I am currently waiting for important information and advice relating to exams, including the findings of an independent review. When I receive this information and make a decision, you will hear directly from me. I want to make this announcement when young people are in contact with and have support from their teachers, so you can expect to receive an update week commencing Monday, November the 9th. Restricting the number of pupils in school is a contribution to the wider national effort, but we will do everything that we can to maximise education, minimise disruption and keep Wales learning. I'd like to end by thanking you for your efforts so far and urging you to support us in the same way through the next few weeks, which I know and understand will be challenging. To be successful, we need everyone's help. This is the moment to come together, to play our part in a common endeavour to once again protect the NHS and save lives. This will not be easy, but we will do it together. Diolch yn fawr.